That's why you feel the glutes so much when you do it with the band, because the side of your glutes are engaged 100% of the time. All right, guys, welcome back to another short and effective leg and booty circuit. Today's workout is gonna be legs, glutes. It's gonna be super short, you know, and if you're someone who's looking for a sign to start, you know, this is it right here. Whatever sign you were looking for from the universe to start your journey, to start a better life, this is it right here. You know, Destiny, she's a testament that if you put your foot forward and you have that belief and that determination to make a change, you can make it happen. She's down nearly 100 pounds. You guys remember when I first started training her. And then Lily, she used to be 90 pounds. Now she's standing, weighing how much?
110.
110. You know, she had trouble gaining muscle. Here she is. You know, so whatever sign you were looking for, this is it right here. So let me go over the workouts real quick. It's just gonna be 6 workouts. 4 of them we're gonna do 2 times, and the last 2 we're only gonna do once. So it's gonna be super short. So the first workout, we're gonna need booty bands. So here I got my pineapple belongs on pizza bands. So glute bridges, we're gonna do 20. Right after that, we're gonna do lunges. Just to prepare you guys, after the lunges, I'm gonna give you guys a 30-second break, and then we're gonna repeat. So glute bridges, straight to lunges, no break. Let's go, 20 reps. Go check your phone real quick. So remember, when you guys are doing the glute bridges, keep those knees out against the band. Push off the heels. Perfect. You guys got it. Come on, all the way to 20. Push through, push through. There you go. All right, you guys should be finishing up. Okay, no break. We're going straight to lunges, stationary lunges. So we're gonna do 15 reps on each leg. Okay, so get in the good stance. You don't wanna be too close. Good wide stance. Bend both your knees, go straight down. Before that knee hits the ground, you go up, 15. Oh yeah. When you're doing it, you're gonna be feeling this whole front leg right here. And the glutes, make sure you're pushing off the heel when you're doing it. And look at the distance of her feet. They're not too close, they're not too far out. Good distance, she bends both her knees, go straight down. That's good form. You got it, Destiny. All the way to 15. You know, if you have trouble balancing, get a chair. Do it while you're holding a chair. You're gonna be okay. Okay, now we got the other side. Right leg or left leg. There you go. Feel that tension. Feel your muscles working. It's very important that back foot, you always keep the heel off the ground. Because if you were to put it down, you're gonna be losing balance. So this is a good way to do it. There you go. 15. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a 30-second break. How do you guys feel?
Good.
Okay. If you guys need a longer break than 30 seconds, just press pause. You know, if you're a beginner, it's like, take your time. You know, you're not gonna be perfect right away. It might take time for you to have that stamina, but it's all good. All right, we got 15 seconds. No, we're gonna repeat this one more time. Let me do it with them this time. All right, 20 reps. Come on, push through, push through. That booty's gonna be on fire. Woo. Extra credit. It'll feel good. I know you guys feel that booty. You guys feel it right away. 3 reps in. Good job. All right, straight to lunges. Let's go, no break. Come on, we got goals to reach. Let's go, kill it. You guys gotta give 100% every workout. Do your best, whatever you could do. There you go. All right, let me check up on them. Okay. See, Destiny didn't look like this the first time she was doing lunges. She was struggling, but look at her now. You know, the more you do something, the better you're gonna get at it. Come on, hang in there, guys. I know your legs are burning. These lunges are no joke. Woo. Damn. Good shit, guys. You guys another 30-second break. You guys are killing it so far. No matter how advanced you are, those lunges, they never get easy. They always burn. 15 more seconds. Okay, we should grab some chairs. You get these. You could do it on the couch. You could grab a chair. All right, the reason why you want to get a chair is because you're gonna need that balance, that stability. So get your ankle straps, ankle bands. Okay, one important thing that you guys should know when you guys are putting these on, make sure these loops are near each other, facing each other. The last thing you want is these loops to be over here, because then this ankle band might rip. So make sure they're close to each other. Okay? Huh? You should be good. Ready? Yup, 15 each leg. Nice and controlled. Okay, look how Lily's body is tilted forward. She brings that knee in and kicks back out like if there's a wall. She's kicking that wall and she's doing a slight pause at the end right there. There you go. All the way to 15. Also, make sure you guys are bracing that core. Squeeze that core. And then next leg, same thing. Check it out. Pause. She's only working the glutes right here. 15. Let's go. There you go, there you go. You got it, Destiny. Perfect. Hold on, let me fix your things real quick. So these, you want them on the other side. Oh, I can't flip them. Okay, you guys done with 15 on each? Okay, we're gonna go straight to pulsing squats. All right, let's move the chairs. You can pull over here. Okay, so pulsing squats, we're gonna do 15 reps. So what you wanna do here is, you're just gonna go, you're gonna squat down. You're not gonna go all the way up. You're gonna pause halfway up, come straight down. Just like this, let's go. 15. Ooh, that burn's gonna be real. There you go, see? She's not going all the way up, just going halfway up, going back down. Keeping constant tension on the glutes and the thighs. Did it? All right, I'm gonna give you guys a 30-second break. These workouts might seem easy, but they're a challenge. You feel it? You feel it? We're all breaking the sweat. Oh, you gotta love it. You know, the most important thing is just moving your body. Too many people become obsessed about looking a certain way, but when you really think about it, the most important thing is your health, your heart, you know, just be healthy, eat good, don't compare yourself to anybody. It's gonna be a good life. All right, let's go. Donkey kicks. This probably takes the most time from the whole workout. Just putting these things on. Oh, I feel it. That pause at the end is key. You feel it. That pause. Make sure you guys are slightly bending that knee that's stabilizing you. Let's go all the way to 15. I lost count. Forgive me, guys. Knee slightly bent. Pretend I'm trying to kick Lily. Ooh. Let's go. There you go. You might feel this leg a little bit. That's normal. Feel it, Destiny. Feel it. Right there. Squeeze. Oh, this is a good workout. Oh yeah. You say you got no time? This is short. Do it early morning. Okay, pulsing squats. Let's go. 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 more, 13, 14, 15. Oh. All right, guys. 30-second break. I'm sure you guys are loving these breaks. I usually don't give you this many in the follow long workout, but today's an exception. Okay, so I know I had said we're gonna end it with 50 glute bridges. I lied, it's gonna be hip thrust. So you just need your couch. So we're gonna do clam shells. One set of 20 reps for clam shells. So get your band. And then right after that, we're going for hip thrust. So 20 reps, 20 clam shells, finishing off with 50 hip thrusts. And we're only doing this once. Let's go. Oh, you're gonna feel that side of the glutes. Make them work. Get those knees out as far as you could. Far out. Let me check on their form. And you got this one too. Okay, so see, super simple. You're sitting down, your body's resting, but the side of your glutes aren't. They're working. There you go. Just 20. You guys making it look too easy. All right, guys. Last one, we got banded hip thrust. There's not enough room for me, so I'm just gonna be correcting their form and telling you guys how to do it. Okay, so first things first, get the upper part, not near your neck area, but like here, this part of the upper back, the shoulder blade area, on the couch, okay, for support. Okay, let's do it. 50 reps, guys. Let's try to do them, no breaks. So you guys have to count because I'm gonna be talking, I'm gonna forget. And look, if you guys notice from this angle, you're gonna see that her legs form a 90-degree angle when she's up here. When she goes up, 90-degree angle. If your feet are too far in front, you're gonna feel your hamstrings more. If your feet are too close this way, you're gonna feel your knee and your quads a lot more. With the band, since she's keeping her knees out, dude, double duty on the booty. She's engaging the side of the glutes the whole time. That's why you feel the glutes so much when you do it with the band, because the side of your glutes are engaged 100% of the time. Normally the glutes only work the back part of the hip thrust normally just works the back part of the glutes, but with the band, we're also engaging the side. Come on, 50 reps. Don't give up on me, Destiny, you got this. Feet a little bit more back. There you go. Come on, you're almost there, just 50. This is the last one. Push through. You know, If you guys cannot do 50 straight, don't be too hard on yourself. Do your best. If you can get to 30 or 40, that's cool. Take a little small break, finish the rest. As long as you guys finish the 50 reps, that's what I want the most. Effort is the most important. There you go, come on. There you go, there you go. Lily did it, Destiny did it. Give me a high five. I hope you guys did it too. You guys are killing it. You know, this is like my first video since my trip to Europe. I was in Italy and Paris for my honeymoon with Africa. And I was dying to do one of these workouts again. I just couldn't do them out there because I didn't have Arthur there to film me and edit the videos, but it's all good, guys. I'm back at it. I hope you guys are staying consistent. You guys are gonna see results. You know, from this, it's very important that you progress yourself to get stronger, eventually do more sets. You know, you could turn this into like a 30, 40-minute workout by adding an extra set and making it harder by adding weights. You know, that's the most important thing to seeing change, to seeing growth, getting stronger. But other than that, shout out to Destiny, Lily, Booty King, I'm out.